Okay, today I'm going to show you how to set up your writing portfolio. So you need to start by getting to this home page. You should get here by clicking on the Google Apps document on the home page. If you can't find this page and you just go to Google, you should be able to navigate there by either seeing a button that says Sites here, or if you clicked on Jeffco Google Docs, which in yours should be in this corner, you should be able to find a button that says Sites, and you can get to the same place going that way. From this page, you are going to go to Google Sites. It's right here, and I'm going to click on that. You have to be signed into your account, so if you're prompted on the next screen to sign in, go ahead and sign in. And then it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. Now, your page shouldn't have any sites. Maybe you have one. I'm not sure if you've made a Google site before, but you probably don't have as many as I do. Where you need to go now is you have to hit the Create button. Once you hit Create, you have a couple things to do. First, you need to go to Browse the Gallery for more. And when you get that here, you have to go to where it says Search Templates. You're going to click here and you're going to write Colorow Writing. And then you'll just hit that search button. It's going to bring up Colorow Writing 2012-2013. We're still using that, so you're going to go click on that. It's going to show you the preview, and it should look exactly like this. It's a red page, and it's got some months across here on the top with the tabs. Once you see that page, you should hit Select. Alright, so if you can tell, this box right now is highlighted in red. You want to make sure it's highlighted in red. So if this one's highlighted in red, go ahead and move it over to Colorow Writing. Alright, now for your site, you're just going to use your first name, and then you're going to write Writing Portfolio. Okay? Make sure you capitalize your name, capitalize writing, and capitalize P. There's also an apostrophe between your name and the S to show possession. So it's Kendall's writing portfolio or John's writing portfolio, whoever you are. You'll write your writing portfolio for your name. The next part is pretty easy to do, but sometimes there can be one problem. So hopefully you don't have to do anything over here. So it's going to assign your writing portfolio a web address, and it will do it automatically. You can see I have a web address here. Now I'm going to go ahead and press Create. Now if that web address is taken, it will prompt you to add in like a number down here, and you could put like a number 1, and then you could go back and hit Create again, and or you could put a 2. It doesn't matter what you put. You'll just have to choose a slightly different web address. Alright. If it works, then it will pop this up, and you should see your name, writing portfolio, as well as a page that looks like this. Alright. So what you need to do now is you have to hit this share button. And I want you to change where it says private. I want you to change it so that anyone with the link can view. And then you're going to say save. Alright, so it's saving. And at this point, once it's saved, you're going to say, just go back to your writing portfolio. Let's click in that button. Now at this point, you're ready to be able to insert things into the writing portfolio. I'm going to show you how to do that in a later video. What I want to show you right now is how to email me or whoever your teacher is your web address. So I want to get to my home page, so I'm going to click on Home, and I want you to highlight the web address up at the top. All you should have to do is click on it, and it should automatically highlight. Now you can either right click or hit Control C, or Command C if you're on a Mac. And then you're going to open up a second tab. And if this pops up, I want you to hit on Gmail, okay? Another option is to again get to Google Drive, and you should be able to see an option for Gmail at the top. So up here you should be able to see the mail option. Alright, so once you're here, you're going to click the compose button, and then you're going to type your homeroom teacher's name. So obviously if you're in my homeroom, you'll type Kendall Zimmerman, and as soon as my name pops up you can go ahead and click on it. If you're in Mrs. Yelton's homeroom, you would write Nicole Yelton until her name pops up. And if you're in Mrs. Higley's homeroom, Stephanie Higley until that pops up. Now subject, go ahead and make it writing portfolio. And then you're just going to go ahead and paste in the web address that you just copied. So you can either do Control V or you can just do right click paste. Alright, so it's in there. I'm going to email this to myself, not Mrs. Higley, because she'll get confused. Once you hit send, you should see it, we should see it in just a moment pop up here on in my inbox. Okay, so there it is. It's arrived. Whenever you send it to me, or whoever your teacher is, it should arrive immediately to their inbox, and then we will go ahead and post it on the 5-6 website. You'll be able to see your 5-6 your writing portfolio posted on the website by going to 5-6 Colorow. If you go to the writing page, you go down on the writing page, you're going to be able to see all the links for your portfolio. So right now I have most of my class done, and so does Mrs. Yelton. Mrs. Higley is slacking a little bit, but she'll get hers up soon too. So now you know how to create your portfolio and then send us the web address. If you have any questions, you can email me or let me know in school and I can help you out. Thank you so much, and I will make one more podcast, or excuse me, screencast on how to quickly insert things into your writing portfolio.